Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix a monitor with a yellow tint on your Windows 10. So trust me, there is nothing complicated, just make sure you follow all steps till the end of the video to learn how to do it. And let's don't waste any more your time, let me show you how. First, when you're on your desktop, just right click on it, and as you can see it appears this window, and on the bottom we have these two options. Just click on display settings here, and now go all the way down. Here on the bottom we have this advanced display settings. Just click on it, or yeah, advanced display settings. Now click on display adapter properties for display one. Here it appears this windows, and from here you can see some things about your graphics card and other things. Just we don't care about them. Click on color management, and from here color management. Again it appears this window. Just check around this, use my settings for this device, and now click on that. So from here we have this profiles. We can choose anyone, but just check, select this one as RGB and blah blah blah. So click on OK, and that's it. It's fixed. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like. We can close this window. We don't care. We don't need it anymore. So yeah, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or shame to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.